Hey guys, in this video I will show you the 5 best note-taking apps with a stylus. Alright, let's begin. The first app is Microsoft OneNote. It is free, syncs across devices, and works really well with stylus input. You can draw, sketch, or handwrite notes, and everything is stored in organized notebooks. Next is Evernote. While it is mostly known for typing and organization, it also supports stylus input for handwritten notes and sketches. It is a great choice for combining both typed and handwritten material. Third is Notability. This app is especially popular with students because it lets you record audio, write with a stylus, and add images or annotations all in one note. Fourth is GoodNotes. It is widely used on tablets like the iPad. It gives a real paper-like writing feel, making it excellent for handwritten notes, diagrams, or math equations. Finally, Squid is a versatile app that works on both Android and Windows devices. It supports active and passive styluses, offers PDF annotation, and allows you to organize your notes easily. It is great for users who want flexibility across platforms. So these are the 5 best note-taking apps with a stylus. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.